Chat, we back. We back. Let me get this music turned down. Let me sort out all these things real quick. Boom, boom. All right. Good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How is everybody doing? Let's go. What about Marco, you gorgeous BB? Yo. Only wifey can call me that. What's good, guys? Good to see all you back in here. Come on. I'm excited. CPI day. Big old CPI day. I hope you guys have been staying safe all week. Remember what we were talking about on Tuesday? How I expected a slow kind of week through the early week, at least, until CPI, even PPI yesterday. PPI was slow yesterday still. So now that CPI is announced today, I think we'll have some opportunity maybe today and then tomorrow. We'll see. I have been flat all week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, zero trades for me. Yes, it can be boring sometimes, but this is profitable trading. 0 trades. All right, let's do the usual. Let's hop right into it. Of course, before we start, Apex, 80% off. Take advantage of these times, guys. I tell you all the time. Take advantage. If something is on a discount, use it. Funded next, CFDs. For all your best discounts, code CF at checkout. What's up? Good morning. Good to see you. Max, good to see you back in here. Zachariah. Yeah, 0. I didn't trade at all. There you go. Honestly, guys, from my perspective at least, if you guys didn't trade, that's a good thing. Even with the benefit of hindsight, I haven't missed a single opportunity. Not a single setup has come for me. So, patience, discipline, that's a W right there. Prop firm trader. And then, of course, I don't know if we passed it already. Maybe I missed it, but we have TradeZella. Guys, take advantage of these tools. Take advantage of these discounts. Use them. Code CF at checkout. All the best. Okay, let's hop right into the charts. The good stuff. I think we're all good on my end. We're good? I think we're good. 1 second. Let me fix my cam here, because I think I'm not really... are we good? I think we're good. I think we're good. Okay, cool. Let's go. All right, chat. How we doing? How you guys' week been? I mean, I didn't see you yesterday. You guys hung out with the homie Tyler yesterday. Hope you guys had a good day yesterday. How's everybody's week gone so far, though? 5 seconds lag between sound and images? Huh? Are you sure? I miss setups every day. What to do to get the confidence in trading? To build confidence in trading is to show up every single day. Do the same thing over and over. There you go. Wifey's back in the chat. W Hannah, guys. That's wifey right there. W wife in the chat. W Hannah. But guys, the only way to build confidence is through experience. If you lack experience, then you just got to continue to show up. Consistency and repetition. Build that experience. Build that confidence. That's it. There's no other way around it. You got to get those reps in. Nuno, good morning, good afternoon. Good to see you, bro. W Hannah, there you go. Thanks, chat. We all love wifey. We all love wifey. But yeah, listen. Okay, let's talk charts. CPI, interesting. Okay, so remember Tuesday. Was it Tuesday? 1 second. No, it was yesterday. We ended up coming up and respecting these highs from the left-hand side, which I wanted to see occur on NQ. Okay? So now there's still a buy target available. However, this price action looks very fishy. Very, very fishy. As of right now, I'm going to continue to wait. Okay? Okay, so stock open. CPI just occurred. Okay, we had this rapid sell-off to grab this internal, okay, which has now fueled this move back up a little bit. Nothing too crazy though. Okay, now look to the left-hand side. There's a level of internal liquidity. I believe this could be the draw on liquidity here, and we could see reactions in this area. Okay, I'm not incredibly confident in the reactions because overall I'm bullish, so I don't really want to catch an extreme sell if I'm bullish overall. But I mean, guys, these lows look so sus. I don't want to marry my bias too much to this, meaning I don't want to continuously look for sells into here, because based off my experience, I understand that the market can easily leave lows intact and continue to the upside. So I'm not going to fight that. All right, I'm rather just going to react. Simple as that. But yeah, this internal liquidity point 23,991 it believes to be the next draw on NQ. We're gonna have to go. Listen, based off what I see right now on NQ, I don't see opportunity. So what I'm gonna have to do is wait. Let's see what price looks like before stock open, and then maybe when stock open occurs, things will clear up. I know a lot of you guys are saying ducky races. Yo, listen, I was on chat yesterday when Tyler was doing his ducky duck races, duckity duck ducks. I am not doing no duckity duck races, okay? But yes, we got giveaways coming today. We got giveaways. Of course, I know you guys like them giveaways, free stuff. I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? But before we get into giveaways, there's a glitch. There's literally a glitch on my screen. It says 219 concurrent viewers and 45 likes. Nah, I can't be right. No? 220 viewers, 45 likes. Is that a glitch? Must be a glitch. Oh, it's going up. 65 likes. Come on, guys. Run those likes up today. Like I said, the more likes we get, the more giveaways we do. So I've been told by the bosses, I've been told by the higher ups, that we're going to have some giveaways to do today, including some Apex accounts, I believe some funded Next accounts, some TradeZella subscriptions. So listen, we got some good stuff. Okay? Stay tuned. Hang around. We'll see if we get some nice trades today. Not 100% sure right now. We're going to have to wait and see what it looks like. NQ, like, okay, we're gonna I want to wait till stock open. I usually do. If there's nothing right now on indices, I always like to wait for stock open. Okay, so if I didn't take a trade straight off CPI, stock open is going to be the time to wait. So we're going to wait for stock open on NQ and on YM. YM's, I think, in my opinion, a little more clean. So we'll keep this on the lookout as well. We have all these lows, man. These lows look good. So we got stock open in 20 minutes. For you guys that are spamming gold, I need to know what you guys see on gold, because my eyeballs don't see what you guys see. My eyeballs don't see what you guys see on gold. Gold looks like poo. We're at all-time highs. Price at CPI today came down, spiked out previous daily low. But look what we left to the left-hand side, and that's ugly for me. Left all this internal liquidity, all these internal lows. For the future, perhaps. Okay, definitely possible. However, it does in fact look incredibly ugly, and that has been the name of the game with gold for the last 2 weeks. It is what it is. Gold looks like crap. Let me get caught up on chat here. I just took my allergy pill, so hopefully that's gonna clear my sinuses up a little bit, because it feels like Rocky Balboa punched me in the face. Yeah, let me get caught up on chat right now. What's good? Ernesto says NQ is still bullish. I'm not too sure. I think stock open will clear some things up for myself. Done liking, contributed 10 likes. Yo, if you contributed 10 likes, you're a GOAT. You are a GOAT. We got up to 115, so we're halfway. 240 viewers, 115 likes. It's starting to make more sense, but still a little bit of a glitch. We'll have to revisit that in a bit. Gold PDL got taken and it broke 15-minute IFVG. I don't trade IFVGs, but yes, sir, it did take out PDL, okay, which we just pointed out. However, it left these lows to the left-hand side, which I do not like. It's now just grabbed internal, H4 high, which caused a little bit of a lower time frame pullback, and it looks like we're getting that continuation right now. This delivery is not something I want to be involved in, though. I've been talking about gold quite a bit with you guys the last couple streams. I know a lot of you guys like trading gold, and I don't blame you. When it's clean, I love trading gold, but I understand that there's going to be a time and place to trade that asset, and right now is not the time. Silver also leaving all these lows intact, which is yucky, yucky, yucky. Coffee says, wow, by the way, that's a great name. Look at this. Iced coffee for myself. So that's a great name, Coffee. Coffee says, I've learned a lot of strategies, and it's yours that made things seem clear. It's so good. It's so good. I'm 1,500 away from passing my 300 eval. Appreciate you, bro. W Coffee. W Coffee. Let's go. W Coffee because that's good news, and also W because we love coffee. NQ is a bit choppy in this week, difficult to read. It very much is. If you guys follow me on Twitter, if you don't follow me, links in the description below. I already tweeted yesterday, and I said, if you guys were able to stay flat or relatively close to break even this week, W, big W. All right, I'm telling you this because this week has not been easy, conditions wise. It required a lot of patience and discipline, and if you guys can look, I mean, this is silver. I mean, not many of us trade silver, but look at the week we had on NQ, right? Choppy, 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 choppy. Why? Well, if I pull up, let me bring this over to this calendar. Look at the week we had. Monday and Tuesday, no news. And then Wednesday, PPI. Thursday, which is today, CPI. So I told you guys, typically the days before, we'll build liquidity for these news events. And that's exactly what occurred this week. Exactly. And that's why I've been flat. I have steered clear. No point for me to trade these conditions because then I'm going to be second guessing myself, guys. I don't really know what... Sorry, boys, 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to be second guessing myself. I'm going to be trading conditions that aren't favorable for me. Marco, does yesterday's NQ sell align with your setups? No, it does not. To be honest with you, any sort of sell on NQ right now, well, I mean, any sell that's happened this week has definitely not aligned with anything that I like. Oh, man, I don't know if you guys get these. I get so many spam calls. Canada is so bad for these spam calls. Look at this. These guys call me all the time, and then they ask me if I want my ducks cleaned or something. Stop spamming me. Leave me alone. I'll leak your numbers. Just missed the Euro trade, even though my strategy was playing out. Just decided not to take it. Effed up. No worries, bro. Honestly, there's a lot of times I'll miss trades on CPI days. It's not always that easy. Especially if there's volatile news events. Sometimes it's very quick, right? Goes up, goes down, blah, blah, blah. This week sucks. That's trading, man. There's going to be good weeks. There's going to be tough weeks. But like I said, if you guys manage to stay patient, and if you guys manage to stay relatively close to BE, even if you're in profit, massive W. Massive, massive W. Someone said, check YM. I am looking at YM. Nothing yet. I want to see what happens with stock open here. Could sell. I mean, it could. We've taken 4-hour high. These lows look very, very suspicious to me. These lows we have down here, PDL, okay, and then of course on the higher time frame, we got these lows all the way down here. So, and I didn't look at this actually, but we've now taken out 9 a.m. is taken out 8 a.m. high. Okay, so that's interesting. We got stock open in 15 minutes. We'll keep an eye on YM, okay, because if there could be a possible sell on this to the downside, so we'll keep an eye. Rishu says, Marco, I passed a 50k eval of Apex today, so waiting for PA account. But suggest me I have a strategy win rate of 20%, but your RR is 1 to 40. I suggest you try and fix the win rate a bit because 20% is pretty low. 20% is really low. My daily recap so far this week: no trades today, no A+ setup. Niels, well done. Ayish, good morning to you as well. Bro, is there any entry criteria after we found a sweep? Yeah, of course. Always need entry criteria. I can't just take entries after highs have been taken or after lows have been taken. Then we'd be entering all over the place, right? So there needs to be some sort of entry criteria for sure. Not a great week, Marco. I tried to tell you guys. I tried to tell you. If you guys were trading actively on Monday and Tuesday, hey, I tried warning you. I did my best. I did my job. That's all I can do. I don't have your phones. I don't have your trading accounts to hold them back for you. I tried to tell you why the conditions weren't going to be too pretty. Marco, I took a long on AUD USD, Euro USD, XAU USD, and all played out. Big W to you, bro. Your strategy is amazing. Moonside, that is a lot of pairs, but wins are wins. We'll take them. Well done. Another day, another chart analysis. Let's go TG. TG. Bro, what? Tyler is not here today. It's Marco today. HMB, I just answered. Yes, there's always an entry criteria. Can you include it also in your video? I have it all over the ChartFanatics channel. My ChartFanatics video with Riz. I go over any sort of entries, how I take entries, how I build a bias, where I take entries, where I place stops, where I target, everything from A to Z. I literally show you guys everything. So mods, please spam that link in there in the chat if you can for me, please. There you go, guys. For the new people in here, first of all, welcome. Thanks for hanging. For all the reoccurring people, also welcome back. Appreciate all of you guys. Love you guys. But for the new people, especially, ChartFanatics, the mods over here posted a link in chat. I can't copy it, but they posted a link in chat. That is my video with Riz on the ChartFanatics channel. 2-hour long video going over everything. Okay, how I view liquidity, how I build a bias, how I take entries, where I place my stop losses and why, everything. So watch that video, please. It answers a lot of these guys' questions you guys are asking me right now. Of course, I'll answer as much questions as possible, but most of these are already answered in the video. Marco, does the inter-equity strategy work for all pairs like Forex? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you find your bias is a buy. I assume you're talking about NQ. Higher time frame wise, I want all-time highs to go. That's what I have my eyes on for the all-time for NQ. All-time highs, buys. I just do not like, ever since they're early in the week, how prices delivered like this. This is very ugly for me because we're leaving liquidity, right? This is all a build-up on the higher time frames, in my opinion. So for me to trade with this is no bueno. It's not good. Marco, when can we expect a part 2? I don't have a date for you guys right now. I'll update you guys in the near future. Well, the buy on the 15-minute demand zone that I apologize for not listening to you, Marco, got me a 1 to 12 RR. Great week. Well done, Junebug. Hey, man, we all have our different systems. So listen, if your system says trade, go ahead, trade. I was just giving you my advice. That's all. That's it. That's all. Shirag, appreciate you for joining in, bro. Good to see you always in here. Hopefully I'm saying your name right, but you know I know you already. Markets are treating me really, really well. Darren W, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Markets have been very blah for me, but hey, that's the name of the game sometimes. That is the name of the game sometimes. That's trading for you. It's not always going to be very, very pretty. Also on YM, higher time frame draw. It's just unfortunate because liquidity wise, it's just, man, I don't love this delivery. So again, we'll have to see what stock open does. That's going to be, we got 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Marco, can you look at crypto? Okay, you can look at crypto. I know you guys, I know there's people in here that love these crypto charts. Look at that. Look at that. Remember we spoke about on Tuesday? These highs? There you go. BTC provided. Up to these highs. Now, let's see. What's the next destination? What's the next destination? So, wow, interesting. But September is now traded underneath August's low, which caused us to go long. Now we have traded above these highs here. Built a lot of liquidity before taking it. Could see sells on BTC. Could see sells. Did we take this low over here though? Yeah, we did. Hard to tell, but you know what? I think upside still has potential as well. Keep an eye on these highs on BTC. I wouldn't be doing nothing on BTC right now though. Like if you want to look at this on an hourly perspective, I would want to see price below this low. Monitor price below this low. It could show longs below here. It's possible. Okay, that's what I see on BTC. Ethereum, I think still looks really ugly. Yeah, it does look really ugly. So I'm not gonna tell you guys nothing because I don't do that guessing stuff. Not too sure with that one. All right. Okay. NQ holding the high. Very blah right now. Very, very blah. Yeah, you can call me Charles. Nice one, bro. I'll remember that. Marco, do you trade news, FOMC, NFP? I don't trade news directly. I trade after news is released. Always. If you ain't taking any trades on futures, can you please go over some other pairs for us to learn from? I'm trying my best over here, bro. Just because I'm not taking any trades does not mean I don't want to look at my assets, right? Stock open is in 6 minutes, so we'll keep an eye on that. W Marco on NQ with the level 24044. Let's take a look. 24044. Where are we at? Overall, bro, I would say all-time highs. I would just grab this high. So 24068 is an area to watch on NQ, in my opinion. Love your video regarding news trading. W Marco, let's go, Lepeka. Thank you. Same view on BTC. Let's see gold, bro. Ayush, please. You've been saying gold so much, man. I don't know where gold is going, bro. I don't know. What are you looking for in stock open? I'm looking for stock open, period. It's just maybe it's gonna make more sense to me. I don't have a direct setup in front of me right now, guys. For the people that are here waiting for a signal, I don't have a signal right now. I'm sorry. I'm incredibly sorry. Remy says he thinks NQ is building liquidity to the upside for it to get killed. I think it is building liquidity to the upside. I think it's building liquidity everywhere right now. Unfortunately, it's looking like poo. It all is, to be honest. And when it all looks ugly, man, like I wish I could show up to the computer and tell you guys where these things are going every single day of every hour, but that's just not possible. All right. So when I don't know what price is going to do, when I don't have really a good idea of what price is going to do, I wait. I stay patient. Okay, I have been flat all week. My accounts haven't seen a single trade. Zero. Big donut. Zero trades. Marco, thanks for sharing your strategy. I actively trade SPY. Can you look into analyze the chart for the day trade? Just want to match my analysis with yours. SPY is a difficult one, and I believe you mean by just the ES. Because we're at all-time highs. So it's trading a little differently than NQ and YM right now. There's just less price action to go off of. Maybe price comes back up to PDH. Other than that, I don't see anything on ES. When assets are at all-time highs, guys, you guys should all make a rule for yourself. Lepeka, I have read that this has been an ugly week for you. I know, and I'm sorry. Hopefully next week is better. All-time highs equals no trading for me. And maybe you guys should add that to your rule set as well. If I'm doing it, there's a reason why, right? We are at 350 viewers already. W. But listen, again, there's a glitch on my screen. I'm reading. Here, let me take a picture of this, guys. Just so I can show you guys the proof. Look at this. Look. 350 viewers, 160 likes. That's a glitch. It's a glitch. YouTube must be screwed up, right? What's going on here? Is YouTube screwing up? Has to be a glitch. That wouldn't make sense. 350 people in here, but 160 likes. Yes, please avoid spamming, guys. I am trying my best to get to every single one of your questions. I would be careful on NQ. It took previous month high and can easily ignore the previous day high and come down. Lot of scenarios. I do agree. If I do trade, guys, I am going to be waiting for something. I'm going to be definitely picky because conditions aren't too probable. Marco, can you look at Forex too? All right, we got a minute here so we can scope out some FX. Okay, I've been telling you guys these highs on Euro. Looks like there was maybe some sort of a long off CPI below these lows. However, we have now just taken out PDH, and there's a nice area on the left-hand side we're getting a reaction from right now. So, careful on EU. That, like, even Forex, guys, I'm telling you guys, everything is looking really ugly right now. You know what? Actually, there was something decent. I don't trade this, but a friend of mine was showing me this. We talked about this quick. This German 40 shorts looks good. Above that high. And what was that? I marked that on before. It reacted nicely off it. But I don't trade this. But this is just... That's literally the only thing. You go through Forex and everything. Guys, the conditions this week. These are the weeks to stay patient. These are the weeks that test you. These are the weeks. I'm telling you right, listen to this. These are the weeks that separate the profitable traders and the unprofitable traders. Okay? Because the profitable traders know how to be disciplined and they know how to manage risk. The unprofitable, they're going to see these kind of weeks and they're going to be all over the place. Entering everywhere, lack of patience, frustration. Marco, what indicator do you use? It's just a private indicator, bro. It's just one I've made myself. It just marks out these highs and lows for me. That's it. That's all. Nothing too crazy. Love from Bangladesh. Wow, your name's Abid. Much love back to you. Abid's a good friend of mine. He's my brother. Do I use the same liquidity concepts on every asset? For sure. My system doesn't change. My edge doesn't change. Doesn't matter what market. Well, actually, I lied. It doesn't matter what kind of market I'm in because, of course, I'm not really going to be waiting for specific times in the Forex market if I'm trading the futures market, right? Like stock open's very relevant for me. And right now we're getting a long off the open right now on stocks. Who's your mentor? Good question. Okay, internal high has been taken. The high we were talking about on NQ. We'll wait and see what happens. YM, still chilling. Still chilling. Let's see what kind of PA we get above this high on YM. Again, nothing I'm going to be taking direct entries off yet. I want to see more. Yeah, we'll see. Because the highs can definitely go again. Why are we not seeing Abbott as well? Abbott is not on ChartFanatics, brother. I currently don't have much of a bias to give you, Ahmed. I'm just waiting for more price action to kind of give me more clarity. NQ taking the high. Waiting right now. Waiting. Okay? Ginseng, if the highs are taken, the highs are taken. If the lows are taken, the lows are taken. Don't try to measure it off pips or ticks. Just keep it very simple and straightforward. Unfortunately, if NQ does continue bullish, guys, today and runs for these highs, we're going to have to be in the same position that we're in with gold right now, and that's going to be a waiting game, unfortunately. Which would kind of suck, but hey, that's trading sometimes. Because once price is at all-time highs, I don't trade all-time highs. Both assets moving bullish off the open. What your drink, Marco? This is just iced coffee. Actually, no, it's iced Americano. Thanks, Marco. Cool question for you. No trade at all-time highs rule. Does that just mean you avoid looking for the top, or does that mean... No, I just avoid looking for anything at all. When price is at all-time highs, it just means there's not a lot of data in front of me, right? Because there's nothing to the left-hand side. Okay, it's just literally current price action. And if we're at all-time highs, there's not a lot of price in front of me. So I simply wait for price to just build more and more data for me. As there's more price action that's built over the course of 1, 2, 3 days, then it becomes tradable again. But I'm never just going to be trying to catch tops, and I don't want to be longing the tops. Beck Scott, you make your indicators public, please. Marco, bro, you have allergy, then why are you drinking cold drink? Huh? I'm not supposed to drink cold drinks if I have seasonal allergies? What does that mean? Pedro, I agree, bro. I agree. 376 viewers, but we have 221 likes. Listen, the big bosses aren't going to like that, guys, because if the likes don't get up today, then we can't do the giveaways. All you have to do is press thumbs up, and we give away Apex accounts. We give away funded Next accounts. We give away subscriptions to TradeZella. It's really easy. It's really easy. Are you a coffee lover? I am a coffee lover. My go-to drink in the mornings. Always. Always, always, always. Four minutes into the open right now. Nothing too pretty on YM. We can mark these highs out. Wait for this too. Could be a possible area. However, price is just kind of... This delivery is not nice. So, hey. Next week, there's interest rate decision and contract rollover. How do you approach this? I have no idea. I just approach the charts the same every single week. Fundamentally, next week, we have no news Monday. We have some news on Tuesday. Wednesday, we have FOMC in the afternoon. Damn, so we got... This is back-to-back-to-back weeks. We had NFP last week, CPI this week, FOMC next week. Back-to-back-to-back weeks. Big weeks. But yeah, we're going to have to see what next week looks like. Based off what I can see, Monday's going to be slow. Tuesday should have something. Wednesday, FOMC. So the morning session won't be too pretty. Marco, just curious, when did you start trading and what was it? So I started trading back in COVID times. Well, I started learning about trading. I was a plumber back then. And I just didn't want to continue to work for other people. I wanted to make my own money on my own terms. I wanted to work hard on my own terms. By doing plumbing and working for someone, I was capped, right? So I couldn't make a shit ton of money if I wanted to. If I wanted to work my ass off, I could only ever make this much. So I wanted to go my own route. I enjoyed trading, so I eventually transitioned into that. Do you hate news weeks? I don't. Like, not last week, for example, guys, we had, I always forget, NFP on Friday last week. And Thursday was a massive day for me. Like, I remember on stream, we took that trade together. What was it? NQ longs last Thursday, $7 grand. I caught that trade the day before a big news event. Like, that doesn't typically happen. That's not common. But sometimes it provides, sometimes it doesn't. That's why I show up every single day. If there's a setup, there's a setup. If not, it's all good, man. It is all good. NQ showing rejections right now. I've changed my trading, man, around your liquidity videos. W, Jonathan. Hope you're enjoying it, bro. Keep at it. Stay consistent. All right, so look, we have this news wick down here on NQ. Interesting. Interesting. Still tough conditions to be trading, guys. It really is. And I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not just going to smash buy and sell today to just trade because I've stayed patient all week. What the hell would be the point of me just staying patient all week to start taking stupid trades on a Thursday? Does not make any sense. If my edge isn't in play, no trades will be taken. Is ETH USD the best chart ever? ETH USD was the best chart ever when we were down here. I was screaming longs down here. And it played out. I ended up catching decent amount of the move up to here. I got bottom to up here. So in this area to up here. Mr. Wonder says, everything looks bad for me as well. You're not the only one, bro. You're not the only one. All right, we're getting a reaction off 23,991. Everybody just wants to see what... I think the most common question in chat is, hey, Marco, what do you want to see to take a trade? Guys, I just need to see a setup form. That's it. If I'm not trading, there's no setup. So how do I'm not just going to draw out things and try and predict. I react to what price action gives me. That's it. It's as simple as that. I literally just react. If there's a setup in front of me, cool. That's why I have these like times to wait for. So stock open occurred, still don't like much. So we're going to have to continue to wait. I have 10 a.m. I usually like to wait for. That's in about 22 minutes. So we'll see what price action looks around then. Marco, what's your favorite pair? I would say NQ has treated me very nicely ever since I switched to futures. I probably made the most on NQ. And of course, gold. Gold is actually maybe my favorite, but gold is in a tough spot. It's been in a tough spot. The last couple weeks, I haven't traded it. So that's my favorite. NQs. If I had to choose, if someone said put a gun to my head and said you have to choose only one asset, I would choose NQ probably. Marco, do you ever trade the orb? I have no idea what the orb is. That sounds insane though. I'm in NQ shorts from that high. Good stuff, Ayush. I hope it plays out for you, bro. Marco, why do you like running that much? That's a good question. Relax it. That's probably the best question we've had today. I like pain. I like difficulty, so I run. That's my answer. How did you build up your liquidity strategy? How much time did it take? It probably took me almost a year of consistency and repetition of showing up at the charts every single day. Took a bit. For sure took a bit. I don't trade Forex matwa, and so in terms of points or ticks, I don't have a specific amount I look for. I never limit myself to, oh, I want 50 ticks or I want 100 ticks. I do not. All right, YM is above this high from the left now. Listen, if YM is going to short today, this would be the area to look for. Okay? But I'm not highly convinced. Listen, if I was, I'd be looking for shorts actively right now. Okay? But I'm not. So I'm still going to be extremely careful on price action right now. Orb is the opening range break. Yeah, I have no idea. I've never traded that. I have no idea what it is. Jan says, for everybody asking about the strategy he is trading, you can watch it live 2 days per week and also for the past, and then just go back test and see it for yourself. It's the best way to learn. I agree. There's no better way to learn than for you guys to put the time in yourself. Study. This is how you do it, guys. I'm going to show you guys. Study. Apply. Study. Apply. Study. And then Jimmy's going to come and be like, oh, Marco, how many times do I have to study and apply? Wrong question. Whatever it takes is the answer. Whatever it takes. Don't ask how long. Don't ask how many times you have to do it. Wrong questions. Study. Apply. Study. Apply. Continue doing it over and over and over. And then, wow, all of a sudden, wow, I had a payout. Let's go. W. Good morning, Jason. Good to see you in here, bro. Did you ever run 140K in a week? I have not run 140K in a week. I have not. Maybe one day. I'm building my mileage right now. I have a lot of workouts I'm doing during the week right now. So my intensity is very high. So it's hard to maintain a high volume. Wait a second. Pause. Everybody listen. We are at 395 viewers, I believe. We're so close to record viewers today. Tell your brother, sister, mom, dad, uncle, aunt to hop in the stream. We're going to break the record again today. Spam like button if you haven't already yet. Please, please, please. It helps us. It helps you guys. Okay? Because let me get the word from the boss. One sec. He's calling. Are we running the giveaway soon? Giveaways are soon? Perfect. Okay, guys. Giveaways are coming in soon. I think I don't remember correctly, but I think 200 or sorry, on Tuesday it was what 405 viewers, I believe, was the record. Are we breaking that today? Are we breaking that today? Let's see. Let's see. All right, NQ had a little bit of a sell-off. Coming for these internal points. It's in a hard spot. YM trading above this high from the left-hand side. We're going to keep an eye. That's all we can do. We're approaching 10 a.m., so we have 15 minutes until a 4-hour close, which could be interesting. Uh-oh. Oh, my God, and we broke the record. W. Let's go. W's. Spam W's in chat. Let's go. I'm so proud of all of us. I'm so proud of all you guys. Let's go. That means we have giveaways today, and that's so exciting because giving away free accounts to you guys is so fun. It's so fun. I love it. And Mr. Tyler is in here. W Tyler in the chat. Okay, guys, let's see. NQ with a nice reaction off that high. Damn. If I was confident in this thing to go short today, probably a possible entry right there. But then again, if my higher time frame, oh look, wifey's in here. Wifey is in here. Guys, you have to write W. Do me a favor, write W Hannah for wifey. No, but literally, jokes aside, guys. Again, I appreciate every single one of you for hanging with me today. Showing up, showing love. We're at like over 400 viewers today, which is this is insane. This is insane. Like I said, I appreciate every single one of you. Honestly, didn't expect that we'd ever. W Hannah. Let's go, guys. W, let's go. No, but again, I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. I hope you guys are gaining some sort of value. It's been a slow week, but listen, I'm trying to provide as much value as possible, even on the slow weeks. You deserve all this and more, Niraj. Yo, that's very, very kind of you. I appreciate you. Marco, your TradeZella playbook has helped a lot. That's good to know. It's good to know, and I'm proud. Keep putting that work in, bro. Stay consistent. Yeah, let's go, guys. W. And another viewer record today. Back-to-back streams. That's so awesome. YM still showing a lot of strength. Promise I'm not trading Forex right now, my brother. Placid says, "Hi Marco, I'm from China. I really appreciate your liquidity theory and thank you for your videos." W. I appreciate you, Placid. Thanks for hanging. Thanks for joining in. And it's good to know that you're finding some value from the content. That's awesome. Marco, when did you realize that this is my edge and now I'm ready to take a trade? Experience, my brother. Experience. Lots and lots of time on the charts. Lots and lots of time. There is no shortcut, guys. That's the thing. There is no shortcut. It's just time. Time, effort, repetition, consistency. That's what it takes. All right, let's see. Let's see what's happening over here. Let's get a little update with these charts right now. NQ going long off, taking off some internal right now. It's leaving these lows. This is looking interesting. I think it could be framing a short for us. Okay, I'm not highly convinced yet, but it could be framing a short. It's just, listen, if I did take an entry today, I'm going to be completely honest. This is a low probability entry. Okay? There's too many things that are telling me the upside is still on the cards. Okay, so let's stay patient. We'll pull trigger if it comes to it. But yeah, we definitely want to be careful right now. Sorry guys, give me one moment here. PDH is still not swept in NQ. It is not. That's up here. So I mean, it looks like this might occur, right? We had this move yesterday in through New York on Wednesday, which is yesterday. Clearing out lows over here, lows over here. Nothing incredibly pretty. That's why I'm not loving the longs as well. But we had that move to the downside, which is induced sellers, and that we're now getting that move back up into these highs. Okay, these internal points. So, unfortunately, the delivery isn't the cleanest right now, which sucks. But we'll see. I've been using your strategy and options, and it has worked 2 weeks in a row, and it teaches patience. Sean W, bro. W. I'm not seasoned in options. I'm not experienced in options, so I have no idea if it works, how well it works. So it's all on you. Keep us updated. Marco, if you had the power to change one thing in trading industry, what would it be? Transparency. There is a massive lack of transparency in this industry. Everybody paints the picture that trading is easy. Not everybody, sorry. These influencer guys. There's a lack of transparency. People only they hide a lot. What if maybe all those profitable traders started trading live in front of people all the time? I think a lot of things would change. Fun question. What is one superpower you would like to have? Interesting question. I think... I don't know, man. That's a really hard question. What's one superpower? Time travel? Time travel would be insane. Yo, guys, I need... it's so difficult sometimes, but you guys always ask me, Marco, can you draw out what I want to see happen for me to take an entry? Listen, I'm going to say this again. I don't predict the charts, guys. I simply react. That's what I do. I react to where liquidity is. I react to where liquidity is taken. Okay, then I trade the opposite direction. That's it. I'm not going to sit here and draw predictions out, because what the hell is the point of that? I react. That's it. Hey, Mark, I've noticed you faking your P&L and flexing your runner's lifestyle. My runner's lifestyle online. Is this a form of affiliate payments? How do you afford these cool new sneakers? I know it's not from making money trading. Tyler. But you're right, man. You're right. You caught me. I'm flexing my runner's lifestyle. Okay, I know you guys have been... I've been noticing that recently. I've been flexing my runner's lifestyle too much. And I'm sorry. I will stop. I'm not going to post my running stuff no more. I always knew there was something sketchy about you. Yo, Tyler, you kill me, bro. You kill me. I picked up on it right away. Damn. Damn. All right. We got 8 minutes till the 10 a.m. candle comes in. YM is now trading back at PDH. Let's clear this chart up. Let's see what it's looking like. This high is, listen, if it's gonna, excuse me, if it's gonna continue running bullish, watch out for 45,885. Nothing to be involved in, unfortunately. It's just this price action. It's unfortunate because when I have higher time frame direction, correct, like I have a really good idea that we're gonna run bullish, but the current delivery of prices is poo-poo. It's unfortunate. Yesterday's duck race was so fun. Yeah, Tyler is the GOAT. And when I was watching that duck race, that was hilarious. That was in fact hilarious. Affiliate traders are trash. That's how I got introduced. Gave me a code. Found out a few months later he was not mentoring. Nothing. That's unfortunate. Yeah, there's a lot of fake gurus out there, guys. It's unfortunate, but what can we do? What can we do? Unless just be good ourselves. That's it. How long have I been trading? When was my breakthrough? I started learning about trading like in COVID times. That was what? How many years ago now, man? COVID feels like a lifetime ago. 5 years ago? 6 years ago? I traded like support and resistance concepts for a while. Didn't find any results really. Got introduced to smart money. Started seeing results. And then kind of developed my own kind of liquidity system. So it's been the journey to say the least. When will we do the giveaways? We're going to be doing the giveaway soon. I'll let you guys know. I believe we're going to be doing it after 10 o'clock. So we have about 10-15 minutes. We are 100% doing giveaways though. So if you guys are waiting for the giveaways, stick around. They are coming shortly. I can promise you that. I can promise you that. Marco, make a video on your trading journey. Not a bad idea. Could do that in the future, bro. We'll see. Not a bad idea, though. Hi, Marco. How one shall know when retail's and SMC's liquidity has been taken? Very simple. Like a regular SMC concept, a very common SMC concept is, we'll do this. Let's just say there's a level of liquidity over here from the past, okay? And we end up trading back to it. Okay, so in this current situation, in this current moment in price, liquidity has been taken from the left-hand side, right? Obviously, we see that. Now, what a lot of retail concepts say to do is, once price takes out this high, there's a market structure shift. There's a breakage structure, whatever they want to call it. So they want to long down here. Okay, so this is a long POI, or you can just say entry. Okay, so a lot of people will want to take longs down there. I understand that. So if I understand that simple concept, I know there's going to be liquidity below this low. So what happens a lot actually is this as well. We'll get a high set here. Why? Why will there be a high set? There's going to be a high set here now for this, a trap. So look, price will go long off this area. Now look, same thing happens. BOS to upside, market structure shift. Same thing's gonna occur. So we'll drag this over. This is now going to be another area retail is going to want to buy from. So price will come down, give a reaction, and then boom, trap everybody. Once liquidity is taken, now I start looking for longs. Tyler says, Marco, would love a vlog on how you clean so efficiently with you being Mr. Clean. I would love to know your tactics. My bathroom is awfully dirty. Listen, guys, if you ever go to Tyler's condo, don't use his washroom because he just told us it's awfully dirty. Okay? So be careful. Don't use his shower. Don't use none of that stuff. Don't use none of it. Be careful. Hey, Marco, any trades today? No, Dan. I have not taken a single trade all week, actually. I've been flat all week. I went from taking like 4 trades last week, 3 or 4 trades last week, to 0 this week. I have been flat. Mr. Flat this week. So if there's a BOS, we have to wait for that liquidity sweep, then look for entry. That's exactly what I do, bro. And that's exactly what I teach in that ChartFanatics video. I've been trying to tell you guys, man. Everything I trade is in that ChartFanatics video. It's 2 hours long. I tried telling you guys. XRP on the move? Damn. YM on the move right now, too. Same with ES. ES back at all-time highs. These indexes don't look too pretty, boys. Boys and girls. I won't leave out the girls. This PA doesn't look too pretty, boys and girls. Sorry. Yeah, I've already watched, Marco. Watch again. Watch again. Because the questions you're asking me are telling me you've missed things. Can I check GJ Bruv? GJ looks awful right now. Be careful. Yeah, this shit looks terrible, guys. Steer clear of this thing right now. I have no idea. I have actually no idea on a lot of these pairs right now. Again, record breaking. Yes, sir, Ray Trader. We have broke another record today. Massive W's in the chat for you guys. Every single one of you in chat today. Appreciate all of you for coming in, hanging in with me, shooting the shit, having some fun. Always a good time. Record breaking, yes sir. We did have another record breaking stream of all-time viewers. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Marco, why can't we sell NQ1? I mean, you can sell NQ1 if you want. You can sell. Okay, so we've now had a 4-hour close. So 10 a.m. has come in. Marco, how many setup strategies do you have, please? I only have one strategy, bro. 4-hour candle has come in, so we have a new high in low set on the 4-hour candle. This is what it looks like. Yeah, guys, I wish I had a good idea of what price is going to be doing right now, but I don't. Marco, I made first time around 1,500 for the move from the news, but at first lose one trade, and then I said one more for the news at 1:30 p.m. That's good, I think. Jan Toman says, what is your goal time for the half marathon? Great question. My goal time, promise, please stop spamming the same message over and over, bro. What is your goal time for the half marathon? My goal time for the half marathon is a sub 125, which equates to a 4-minute pace for all 21.1 kilometers. Look at that. Wife already knows. Wife already knows. W wife for knowing the exact time I need. Marco, do you do marathons? I don't. I just run shorter distances, 5, 10s, and halves. Eventually, I'll do a full. I mean, if I wanted to run a full tomorrow, I could do it, but it doesn't interest me right now. I like the shorter distances just because I like speed more. Marco, when lift weights, I notice you skinny like Ladyboy. Yo, what the hell, Ty? Come on, bro. I'm kind of strong. I promise you. Marco, do you race? I do race. I go to races. Obviously, I'm not the fastest people. These guys, some of these guys are insanely fast. Are insanely fast. Guys, yo, give me a moment. But it's been really cold in Canada, but today it is not apparently. And I'm starting to sweat over here. I'm going to put a t-shirt on. Give me 2 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. I had to change. I was going to start sweating profusely in that sweater. Bro, I pissed myself writing that. Tyler, I know. I pissed myself too when you wrote that. I'm not going to lie. I kind of piss myself every single time you type something. I'm dying over here. Marco, 1 bench 20. So, actually, Tyler, to you asking me about benching 225, I have benched 225 once in the past. At my biggest, when I was like 162, I was 162 pounds. But I have lost like 8 pounds ever since. But I have benched 225, bro. I have. But not recently. I actually I don't bench, really. I should take over the stream, thanks, Jake. What did Jake say? What did Jake say? Let me look. Hannah, take over the stream? Wow. Alright, let me answer some of these questions. Sorry. What is my dream car? Ooh. Easy answer. Watch this. Maybe next year we go out and buy this thing. I'll show you the exact one I want. This is a great question. For all you car people. This is it right here, guys. This is it. Can you guys see? A 911 GT3 991.2. GTS 911 or something? Babe, what? You don't even know the exact one? Marco drives a Volkswagen Beetle? What the heck? No. Actually, my car right now, which is in the shop, is this. This is my car. But I currently don't have it. Because it's in the shop. So I'm not driving it. But this is my dream car. For whoever was asking. I love that question because I love cars. 911s are fire. Ernesto, they are definitely fire, bro. This is the dream whip. This is the dream whip. Maybe one day. Maybe next year. Maybe next week. I miss her. I miss her too. Dude. Wait, no. Her? No. His name is Kobe. BMW X3 matte black with orange guts. I do like the X3s because I like the size of them. X3. You say matte? Was it matte black? You said. X3M. Yeah, so you have the M package on it. Yeah, gorgeous car, gorgeous truck. X3 is probably, but my more favorite SUV at BMW. Reason being is because I like the smaller trucks. I don't like the big, huge SUV. So I'm not like I don't like the Q8s. I don't like the at BMW. I don't like the X7s and shit. Naughty Whip, yeah, I agree. It is nice. I'm not a big SUV kind of guy though, so I do like the smaller ones. Like at Porsche, I love the Porsche Macans. I like mine, but like even mine is pushing size-wise. Like it's pretty big. We are at 310 views today. Guys, I appreciate all of you guys spamming those like buttons. Listen, where are the mods at? Is it time for giveaways? Is it time for giveaways? I love my car. I love that you love your car, Tyler. I'm gonna have to see your whip when I come to Miami in November. I need to see the whip. Dopamine asked me why did you take a loss after selling YM? Your direction was off, right? There's no other answer for you. It went bullish and you tried selling. It went bullish right into all these highs. Boom. NQ has now spiked above 4-hour high. So if there is a 4-hour reversal, maybe this could occur. We'll see. We'll see. I will keep you guys updated with what I do though, because currently it's just one of those days where price action ain't too pretty. Wow, okay guys, listen, eyes on the chat. Eyes on the chat. If you guys are in here still, stay in here. We are running giveaways currently. Take a look at all the mods. First winner is going to be Jacob Wally. Congratulations, 300k Apex challenge for free. W. Duck race Marky? Wait, okay. Wait, how, do I have to do this ducky race? Okay. Wait. Mods, pause. Pause. How do I do ducky race? Just because charts are slow right now, maybe I'll do this ducky race. How do I do this ducky race, guys? To run these giveaways. Someone needs to tell me. Tyler, what do I got to do? You know what, Tyler? Do me a favor. Call me on WhatsApp right now if you can. Call me on WhatsApp, and we'll sort this out for chat. Since everybody in here wants to do these ducky races and charts are no good right now, let me know. Okay, I've been sent a link. 1 second, guys. Bear with me. Oh. We're going to sort this out for you guys. Okay, Tyler's calling me. Mr. Tyler. Guys, Tyler's asking me for a pepperoni pizza at, what time is it? 10 a.m. in the morning.
Can I get a large pepperoni pizza with extra pineapple?
Wait, let me put him on speaker for you guys. Listen to Tyler, guys.
Hey, chat, are you there?
Can you guys hear him?
Hey, chat, I'm just asking Marky, can I get a large pepperoni pizza with extra pineapples and,
Chat, we gotta hang up on this guy. How do I run this? Do I have to go on stopwatch? Oh, here it is. Okay, Anthony sent me a link.
Okay, go to Google.
Yep.
Go to Google and type in duck race giveaway.
Okay, I'm on the website now. What do I do?
Okay, all you gotta do is copy the names from the Discord, because it sends you a Discord.
Okay.
You gotta copy and paste the names from the Discord that he's gonna send you. And then all you gotta do is hit edit list. See edit list on the side of the dummy race?
Okay, wait 1 second. Wait, copy the names from where?
Your brother should send it to you on Discord.
Okay, we're waiting for the team to send me all the names on Discord.
Yeah. Well, send the names on Discord, or and you just hit edit list.
Mods, I need the names sent to me on Discord for chat to run this, what is this called? Duck race?
Duck race giveaway.
Okay, I'm gonna sort this out. Thanks, Tyler.
Okay, see you later, pal.
Ciao, buddy. Alright, chat. Listen, I'm gonna try my best. Why is it so hot in the office right now? I'm sweating. At Marco, join, tell chat. Okay. Do I have to do this? Am I doing this correctly? I'll give you... Oh, okay, I see. Okay, guys, everybody spam join. I'm going to get this thing over here. Boom. What the hell are we doing today? This duck race for giveaways. Okay, first, for everybody in the stream right now, all 400 of you, we are giving away accounts for Apex, Funded Next, TradeZella subscriptions. Okay, all of our proud sponsors. We thank them. We love them. At And then, yeah, you got to do, what is this? Exclamation mark join in chat. Once you do that, you guys will be automatically entered into the giveaway. And I'm going to have to, what do I do? I have to commentate this. Set it to 1 minute. 1 second. Set it to 1 minute. Like this, right? I believe we're good. Bear with me, guys. This is my first time commentating the duck race. Go to edit names, okay? Where's edit names? Go to names. Oh, here it is. Edit list. Aaron, George, Rosalind, Leah, and Rory. Okay. And now I need to get sent all the names, and we're going to run this duck race. Now copy and paste. Okay, cool. So I think we're good, chat. Now I just need all the names. 1 second. So I need the mods to send me the names, please. And then we can get this duck race going. 1 second, let's look. Yeah, nothing's good on the charts, unfortunately. YM flying. What a day. Sent. Okay, here we go, guys. 1 second. Okay. Boom. Done. Now what do? Do I set? And then you good. Do I press set, guys? What do I do now? Hit set. Okay. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is happening. Okay. Let me get the... I need to see you guys over here so we can see it. Okay. Do we go full screen? Oh no. What did I just do? Let me see if the names are still there. No, they're not. 1 second. I got to copy and paste them back in here. Bear with me, guys. Okay. Copy them again. Done. Set. Alright, guys. For everybody in chat right now, we are giving away... What is this one for? Do we do one at a time? Is this going to be an Apex account? Okay, whatever it is, we're giving away Apex accounts. We're giving away funded Next accounts and TradeZella subscriptions. We're going to run this duck race because this is what the brother Tyler has recommended for us. Here we go. Start. Here we go. Okay. What's going on here? I can't see names yet. Rajesh, okay. PS in the lead. Johnny Dapp flying right now. PS, they're kind of head to head. And we got Rajesh behind them. Yeah, Ernesto. I love the name Ernesto. You must be Italian. And then we got Kashiti Badahari. John Puck in the lead. Kieran Goda. Joanna Gray coming up. Oh, they're tied right now. Oh, Kieran's got a bucket on his head. That looks kind of sick. Ray Tracer's got a, what is that? A crown? A crown. Satvin Singh. This guy looks like he's in COVID time still with that mask on his face. John Puck. Oh, who's creeping up there? I can't see the name. Kieran just fell behind. What the hell? I can't keep it. Zach's in the lead right now. I think Zach's got this, no? Ray, oh, who the hell's... What the... Who's got Nos back there? Shrijit. Oh my god. Shrijit's in the lead. Let's go. 3 seconds left. Shrijit's going to take this home. Oh my god. Football life. Oh my god. That was actually kind of sick. Yo. Football life. W. Football life. That was insane. Okay, what do we do now? Football life. Are you in here? Show me some life. Where are you at? We will be testing for performance enhancing drugs. Okay, wait. Football life. I'm looking for your name in chat. Where are you at? Football life. I don't see you anywhere. Where are you at? Football life. Show me some love. Show me a sign of life. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Let's go. Football life. W. Okay, what's the rules here? Someone tell me in mods. Mods, look at our chat quickly. What does he have to do? Does he have to DM ChartFanatics? Does he have to email? What does he do? Wow, he's won it. Okay, so here, Football life. Look at chat. You have won a 300K Apex funding funding challenge. Please DM on Instagram. There's your rules. Or sorry, there's your instructions. Please go follow and message ChartFanatics live on Instagram, and they will, yeah, they'll sort you out. Perfect. Done. Marco, why is my name not there? Listen, man, your name was probably there. There was 100 ducks on my screen at one point. There was 100 ducks. Okay, I'm trying my best over here. I'm losing my voice, clearly. Is this what Tyler does with you guys all the time? Does Tyler trade or just commentate duck races? Oh my god, I can't believe I'm a duck race commentator. What has my life come to? Okay. Wait, no. We got to go back. Okay. I need a new... Okay, guys. Spam at or exclamation mark join to join the next giveaway. Okay, I'll give you guys like 30 seconds to join the next race. You guys got like 30 seconds. And then we'll run the next one for you guys. Join. Perfect. Okay, let's go. For all the new people in here, we are doing something called a duck race, where I enter your name into the race. If you win the race, you win a challenge. Easy as that. W, right? That's got to be a W. All right, cool. Anth, I need you to send me new names for the race. We're going to go back to edit names. We're going to clear the list, and we're going to put the new names in for the new race. Holy crap, this is insane. All right. I'm losing my voice over here already. We will work on your... Tyler just says... Look what Tyler said to me, guys. We will work on your commentating. Come on, man. Is my commentating that bad? Okay, we got the new list. New list has come in. 1 second. Copy. Paste. Done. Set. Holy shit. Alright. Okay. No more spamming. No more spamming. I'm not starting the race until the spam stops. Okay. The spam. No more spamming. There's no more joining. The joining's done. Okay. Listen. New race is starting. We have 100 racers in front of us. 100 ducks. This is insane, man. What's going on right now? Okay. Lock in, guys. Let's start. We got 60 seconds on the clock. Who's taking away the next giveaway? Okay. Whew. Everyone's all even. We're looking good so far. We got a lot of colors out there. Mo Ali up there. Jay-Z. Agashi Kingsford with the little black hat looking kind of cute. JB Hustler moving. Ernesto in the lead right now. Let's go, Ernesto. Brother Italian over there. Newsly Hakim back in the lead. Mo Ali creeping up on him. We got Yoga Blessings. What the hell you got on your head over there? You looking fine though. Marco Henning, great name, Marco. Love that. And then we got Akash Power on the very top, moving nice and quick. Staying, we got everybody kind of even right now. Where's the NOS guys? Anybody coming up from the back right now? Pedro Esteves holding lead with Ark, Gerald Sim. What's going on here with Christmas hat guy in the background? I can't see his name. Eshmaradi? I don't know. Okay, and Gerald Sim in the lead with the little pirate. Oh no, who's that guy in the back? No one's coming from the back. Mutswa atop. Mutswa, is he gonna win? No, Pedro. Let's go, Pedro. I'm rooting for Pedro. No, CJ Lee. CJ Lee's gonna win. CJ. WCJ. CJ, you in here? CJ, you in here? CJ, you dirty dog. What the hell is going on, man? What? Oh my word, what is going on? What is going on? I don't understand what's happening. Promise? That's because I don't understand either. CJ's in here. WCJ. There he is, mods. You see CJ? There you go. What did you win? Let's see. What are the mods going to put in chat? That was insane again. Let's little update on what charts are looking right now. Whew. I'm losing my voice. Guys, we're going to run one more race, and then the rest are just going to be given away in chat. He won another 300K Apex Trader Funding Challenge. please DM ChartFanatics live Instagram, and we'll sort you out with the giveaway. Congratulations, CJ. You were moving today in that duck race. All right, guys. All right, we're gonna run one more duck race, and then the rest of the giveaways are just gonna be given away all normally because I'm losing my voice over here. All right, this is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I have much respect for Tyler. I don't know how he does this. We are gonna run one more. So if you guys want to enter in the next giveaway, exclamation mark join. Exclamation mark join. This is going to be the last race. Not the last giveaway, but the last race. Okay, because my voice can't handle this. Okay, so I'll give you guys another 20-30 seconds to join. And then we'll run this new race. Charts looking like poo-poo. I'm losing my voice over here, guys. Jesus, what has Tyler done to us? What has Tyler done to us? All right. New names are going to be coming in now. Let's set this up. Let's set this up. Congratulations again to CJ Lee, WCJ. We need to go back to names, edit list. You know what we need to do? Actually, we're going to set this to clear. We're going to do 45 seconds, okay? Oh my God, not 45 minutes. What am I doing? 45. No, that's 4 minutes. What am I doing? There we go. Perfect. Okay. Edit. Okay, the new names came in. 1 second, guys. Let me put the new 100 racers into the... Okay, here we go. Tyler, bro. Okay. No more spamming. No more spamming. We're done. The contestants have entered the giveaway already. It's done. Set. Okay. We got 45 seconds in front of us. 45 seconds. Who's going to take this W? I don't know what we're giving away here. If mods can tell me. I believe maybe it's a funded next account. But we have 100 ducks at this line. Looking all fine and dandy. I cannot still believe I'm doing this right now. All right. 45 seconds. 100 ducks. Winner takes free account. Let's go. All right. We're off to the races. We got, who's this? Jody Halford in the lead right now. And then we got a really, really long name right on top of him. I can't read. Sebastian, Mr. Bandy 37, Schizophrenia. In first right now. The Pink Duck. John Toman coming up from behind. Creeping in the lead, Invisible, Crouching Tiger, what a name. In the top with the pirate hat looking cute. Sky's the limit, 000001. Creeping up in the very bottom, YP with the green duck. Where's the party hat going? Moffat Leben, you're falling off. What are you doing? TTV.ice edits. Holding the lead confidently. Connor Lugan in second. YP in the lead. YP holding a drastic... Oh my God, he just fell behind. What the hell happened to you? Niels, maybe Mo Ali? Who's going to win this? World Info Cha. World Info Cha. World Info Cha. World Info Cha. Let's go. World Info Cha. Congratulations. You have won the giveaway. World Info Cha. W World Info Cha. Are you in chat? There you are. Let's go. Guys, listen. That's all you get from me today. That was insane. That was absolutely insane. Congratulations to all the giveaway winners. That duck race thing is just next level, man. But congratulations to World Info Cha. You have won a funded next challenge. DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. Wow. Wow. That's all I'm going to say. Wow. That was insane, guys. Thanks for hanging in. Oh my God, that was insane. Alright, guys. Let's get back to the charts. I don't think anything's looking too pretty, but the charts is what I know. The duck races is... That was... Whew, That was insane. I don't even know what we just did. All right, little update. Holy shit, YM is on a mission. Look at that daily candle we got today. I can't breathe after that. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, listen. Let me... Look at the wife you just put in chat. What does your man do for a living? He hosts duck races. Oh my god. That was something else, guys. That was something else. Alright, NQ right now. Stabbed out previous 4-hour high. Alright, like we were talking about. Showing a little bit of downside potential. Even if this thing is going to short, it hasn't met any of my entry criteria yet. We are building on the 1 minute aggressively. Oh my god, the duck noises in the back is driving me nuts. Yeah, those ducks are juicing. God damn. Yeah, CJ Lee, DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. That was insane, guys. That was insane. I don't even know. Do we have to run a duck? We might have to do a duck race dual commentary in the future, me and Tyler. Because that was absolutely absurd. Mark, okay, dopamine, stop yelling at me, bro. Oh my god, you have screamed the same message to me. Marco, can you explain to me, please, how you identify the bias? Bro, I use liquidity. Stop yelling at me though, man. You're giving me anxiety. I just use liquidity, that's it. So, a simple example I always put for you guys is we have liquidity above this high. High has respected the high. Okay, so this blue line here is going to be a draw on liquidity for me in the future. So once I've identified that maybe we've taken some lows out to the left-hand side, price is moving bullish. We take out some lows over here. I can buy into that. So let's say I open up the computer and price is trading at this low. Then I can look for buys back up into this blue line. That's my bias, right? Liquidity determines my bias. Sorry, I am just struggling. Bro, you need to turn those cap locks off. Because every time I see your message, it seems like you're yelling at me, man. And that's not nice. I don't yell at you. Don't yell at me, man. You're scaring me. I own the duck race. The duck race... For real, bro, you do. Because that was absurd, what I just went through. Are we playing ducks today? Mikal, you missed it, bro. We had an absolutely insane duck race happen already. It was next level. It was next level, to say the least. Tyler says, anybody who gets upset with the ducks, he dislikes you. Marco, your content in CF is gold, brother. Love from India. Much love right back to you. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I'm glad. It's good to know that you're getting some value from the ChartFanatics video. So that's awesome. What position am I expecting in NOS, man? Your guess is as good as mine. I'm kind of neutral right now. If I had to lean on a bias right now, guys, I'm saying longs probably. However, probably if I was you, I'd wait for this low to go before taking any sort of longs. Thanks for the German 30 shorts. Is that thing selling off? It is. Nice, nice, nice. Well done. It's looking good. These lows look delicious over here. I just don't trade it, though. Obviously, I trade futures, so I don't even know. Is the German 40 on? I assume it is. It's an index, just. Yo, ginseng, bro. Marco, why do you love pain? I mean, not going to get personal, but did you have a tough childhood? No, I did not have a tough childhood, actually. My parents beat me, but they beat me to a reasonable extent. If I was a bad person, if I was a bad kid, I went to the laundry room and my parents hit me and shit. But that's for a different conversation. I'm just kidding. I had a wonderful childhood. I don't think I like pain, maybe is the way to put it, but I like doing difficult things. And sometimes doing difficult things is included with pain. So Tyler, bro, we can't joke like that, man. Caught it after the inducement high is gone. Let's go, bro. Well done. Marco obviously had a good childhood. Of course I had a good childhood. I got the best family. Where do you live, Marco? I'm from Canada, bro. Or, you're Lipeka. I think you're a girl. So no, bro. I am from Canada, sis. World Info Cha. Hi, Marco. I won. What should I do with the next, with the giveaway? Bro, you have to DM ChartFanatics live. Oh wow, we had another giveaway ran. Congratulations, Malik Ferez. You have won a funded next challenge. So anybody, listen up. Listen. Anybody who won a giveaway today, DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram and say that you won. Say your name. Obviously, it's not going to be everybody. Like if you're some person that didn't win and you're DMing saying you won, we're going to know it's not you. Okay, we're not stupid. So if you did win, DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram and we'll sort you out with your free giveaway. World Info Cha, that's my guy. That is my guy. Let's go. Yo, I'm not going to speak on it too much, but someone asked my thoughts on Charlie Kirk, bro. What a sad situation, man. Yesterday was a sad-ass day. I'm not going to lie. And I don't want to bring it up too much. It's something I don't really want to talk about. But rest in peace. No one deserves that. No one in this world deserves that. It's such an incredibly sad story, what happened yesterday. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to touch on it because I don't want to start getting political and stuff. But I will say it was very sad. My condolences to him and the family. I can't imagine what they're going through. I cannot imagine. So sad, man. So sad. Yeah, 100% Tyler. That's why I don't want to get into it. I will say it's sad though, for sure. It's unfortunate. Yeah, man. Stocks flying off at the open, off 10 a.m. Everything today. Gold back up at these highs. I don't got much of a bias on gold for you guys. I mean, listen, I could go into the lower time frames and try and force a markup for you guys, but if I don't know where this thing's going to be heading to on the 1 hour and the 4 hour, the higher time frame, then what's the point of me going to the lower and trying to mark up stuff? How are my allergies today? My allergies are actually, you know what? Not too bad today. Yesterday was decent. Earlier in the week was brutal. Was brutal, but yeah, my allergies are lightening up now, which is good. Who was my favorite F1 driver? Lewis Hamilton is my favorite F1 driver. The homie Lewis. Definitely my favorite. And look, guys, eyes on chat. Congratulations, Akash Power. You have won a funded next challenge. Please DM ChartFanatics live on Instagram. Congratulations for your win. Do you speak French? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? That's French for you. Bro loves allergies? No, Hamza, I definitely do not love allergies. I'm down bad with allergies, if anything, alright? I am down bad. What a boring week we've had. But still a blessed week, guys. Followed the plan every single day of the week. And you know what? That in my books, that's what's called a green week for me. If I follow the plan every single day. No, he is my favorite. Let's go, promise. Lewis Hamilton is my favorite driver as well. Silver, a little bullish, but again, these lows, man. I'm going to continue to wait. No longs for me on silver. No longs for me. NQ probably going to run. Oh, man. Is it going to run for all-time highs today? CJ, you will get sorted, bro. You will get sorted. Any TradeZella giveaway? I believe we haven't done the TradeZella giveaway yet, so stay in stream. Stay tuned. We hit 355 likes. We hit, I don't even know what the max viewers was. Let me see if I can see on my end. I don't think I can. But we broke records today. So, thank you so much, every single one of you for hanging today. What a wild morning we've had. Nothing too crazy on the charts, but we hosted some duck races for some giveaways, which is crazy. CPI this morning. Hopefully you guys stayed safe. Let's go though, guys. Good stuff. Marco, your strategy really put my psychology and trading switching from SMC to liquidity concepts. I'm looking. You're posted live from Nigeria. Much love. I'm gonna butcher your name, but I'll try. Abu Bakar. Hopefully I pronounced that properly. 419, 420 today. Oh, man. W, man. I remember my first stream on ChartFanatics was like, I think we hit almost 200, or maybe we did hit 200. So that means we've doubled since I started, which is awesome. Samir says, I use TradeZella. It's very good. Samir knows what's good. Well done, Samir. Well done. TradeZella is a wonderful, wonderful platform. For the new trader, for the experienced trader, for gathering data, for backtesting, it does everything. Literally everything. Next giveaway is going to be rooster fights. Yo, Dan. I wouldn't doubt it. God, at this point, who knows? Get Lewis for the duck race. We'll pay him for our profits. I made 100 pips during CPI on gold. Hey man, if you made profits, that's a win. My recommendation is don't take entries before CPI, but it's up to you. It's up to you. It is up to you. Journaling is painfully boring, but TradeZella makes it easy. Hey, that's not a bad way to put it. Sometimes things are painfully boring, but extremely necessary. And journaling is one of them. And again, we talked about it last stream, but I bet half of you, maybe more, in this stream right now don't journal. And it's sad, man. I wish you guys did. I wouldn't tell you guys to do things I didn't think was good. Right? I didn't think that was important. All these things are so necessary. Jan says, I need to train for my duck race for the next time. Yo. Some people were flying out there today. Marco, which time frame do you prefer to use your liquidity sweep concept? I use all time frames, bro. I don't just choose one. It's actually self-reflecting. Oh, guys, eyes on chat. Congratulations to D. Simpson. You have won a 3-month TradeZella subscription. D. Simpson, congratulations. Please DM ChartFanatics Live on Instagram to claim your giveaway. Congratulations. Welcome to the TradeZella team. The best platform in the world. Again, if you guys have not got on TradeZella yet, please do so. Code CF20 for a 20% discount. Also, I believe a new podcast is dropping today on Words of Wisdom. So, for the people in here that are like myself, I don't like reading books too much. Okay? I don't. I'm going to be honest with you guys. It's not for me. Sometimes I'll read 20 pages and then I open the book. I'm like, what the hell did I just read? I can't even tell you. So, reading isn't really for me. Maybe in the future it is. So, what I like to do is I watch Words of Wisdom. Words of Wisdom is great for value, for gaining value from all these veteran traders in the space. Please, do yourself a favor. Watch these podcasts with these top traders in the world. You will learn so much about their approach to their charts, their approach to psychology, all these tips and tricks they use, all their rules, their plan, their edge, everything. So important. And I believe there's a new pod today. 1 second. Let me get a confirmation on this. Let me get a confirmation. Yes, sir. There is a new pod today. So if you guys, right after we hop off, brand new episode just dropped. There it is. There it is in chat. Look what mods posted. Go watch this pod. I'm telling you guys, all these pods are necessary to watch. They're so important to watch. So much value. Jacob says, Anthony Crudell is an absolute G, one of the OGs of futures. I agree. Huge OG in the space. Savage. Legend. He has done so well in trading, guys. These are the guys you want to look up to, man. These are the legends in the space. They've done so much when it comes to trading. Marco, great listening to your approach, and more importantly, your patience. Appreciate you, bro. I feel like, honestly, you know what? This year is actually the first year I've fully taken that step forward in trading live in front of people, and I can confidently say it has helped my patience a lot. It's developed my patience a lot. I very rarely take quote unquote stupid trades. Okay, I'm not going to say I take trades off plan. Sometimes they're just not really the quality isn't too high with them. But I can definitely say that ever since I ever started trading live on stream with my community, my patience has gone up a lot this year. That's a plus for me. Words of Wisdom is so good. Really great content, guys. This is free value. So much free value from Riz. Okay, on the Words of Wisdom pod, on the ChartFanatics YouTube, there is so much free value out there. Take advantage of all this, please. Dan, I appreciate the love, bro. I appreciate all the love. And it's good to know that you're liking the free value out there, man. I'm posting a lot of YouTube videos right now on my channel. Every Tuesday and Saturday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I put a new video out. Again, I'm just trying to give back as much as possible to you guys. Help you guys out as much as possible. Marco, I really appreciate your Training the Eye videos. Are you planning to release a new one? Of course. Of course. Stay tuned. All my socials are down in the description below. Follow me there and you guys will get updated on when I release these videos. But yes, sir, we will release more and more and more. I'm trying my best. Okay, guys, listen. Unfortunately, I got to cut the stream 10 minutes short today because I have an appointment at 12 o'clock. So I got to hop off. I have to shower. I got to drive 45 minutes. So I'm sorry, but stream is cut 10 minutes short today. I apologize. But I want to take this moment to say, again, love all of you guys. Thanks for hanging today. We broke another record, live viewer record. We broke our like record. We talked charts. We did a duck giveaway for all these free accounts on Apex, Funded Next, TradeZella. I had a great time today. I always have a great time with you guys. So again, I just want to say thank you for tuning in with me today. Every Tuesday and Thursday on ChartFanatics, I'll be live 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am not live tomorrow. I am live with my community every other day. But yeah, again, thank you so much. Love you all. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll see you guys next week, Tuesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Much love. We'll talk soon, guys.